Fort Bend ISD is committed to closing the gaps between old and new facilities. Proposition A of our 2023 bond would provide funding across the district for aging schools and systems. The bond also includes funding for 2 new schools in high-growth areas, the conversion of Ferndale Henry to an elementary school, and the rebuilding of 3 schools, Clements High School, Mission Bend Elementary, and Briargate Elementary.
The consolidation of Briargate Elementary and Blue Ridge Elementary and Mission Bend Elementary and Mission Glen Elementary into 2 new schools is a part of the district's long-term goal to reduce operational expenses. Campuses with low utilization cost a higher cost per student compared to other campuses, and older facilities become costly to maintain. Each of our new elementary schools would have a 1,000 student capacity with flexible learning spaces, natural light, 1- and 2-story sections, an expanded library, new technology, specialized rooms for art, music, and special education, and safe fenced-in play areas. These improvements further the district mission to provide comparable learning spaces for all students.
The new campuses would blend with residential surroundings and provide safe pathways for students to walk, bike, or ride the bus to school. Proposition B would provide funding for students and teacher devices in the new schools and existing schools throughout the district. Election Day is Saturday, May 6th. Early voting is April 24th through May 2nd. Visit votetexas.gov for voting locations in the county.